Hello YouTube, back again with another video. As you guys see, as you guys know me, sometimes I like to do tech reviews or tech videos. Pretty much I like tools, I like tech. So today we have a little more inclined to the tech. We're going to be doing a review on a USB microphone from Beisiwo. Beisiwo did send me this product. However, they are not paying me to do this review, but they did send me this product for me to review. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals, and let's go ahead and get started. Pretty much we got on the box here, I don't know if you guys could read it, but it says USB Microphone PC Micro SK Podcast Gaming. It says new in the box. We got a picture of the microphone here, and then we got ZYH Electronic Technology Company. So you guys can see we got nothing else on the box. Nope. Alright, let's go to the unboxing. Alright, as we can see, we got some instructions. We got a nice padded seal there. Oops. Nothing else in the box. Pretty empty. Okay. So we got a microphone here. Obviously, this is USB. It's probably just for the PC, and this is the microphone itself. So let's squish. That is a microphone without the wind muff or the wind shield. And we got a button here. Maybe it could be an on and off button. Looks like an on and off button, maybe. That's it. We got a flexible arm here. It seems to be pretty stable. Then we got a pad here with the rubber feet or rubber pads to prevent it from sliding. And then we got a green light there, which with the button, I don't know what the button's for, probably on and off. Okay, that's a comparison in size. Put this aside. So we're comparing it to my old mic here, basically. As you can see, my old mic is real large, and this is real small compared. You know, it's not gonna take a lot of space in my office. The instructions do say that you have to hold this, or you have to have this mic at least 8 to 12 inches away from you for better results. So like I said, this is more like a podcast or like an interview type of microphone, or pretty much a microphone that you just like a chill back, you know, just to relax, have it there by the computer and just talk to it. Beisiwo USB mic, and I have it about a foot away from my face or from myself, about a foot and a half or so. I could use this mic as maybe as a like an interview if I have several different people around my office here, and I want to do it like an interview. Maybe I can have this maybe a couple feet away from the subject, which is us. My final thoughts on this microphone. Basically, you guys did hear the way it sounds. I actually was talking a little bit louder than what I should, because I'm used to my old microphone yelling at my microphone. This microphone is mostly for I would say the best way it works, it's maybe about 2 feet away from you, and that's probably the distance I would recommend on this mic for better performance or better audio. Yeah, my thoughts on this: the product can be improved. Maybe a little bit more noise cancellation, or on the background, or less sensitive microphone, or maybe like a knob that you can increase or decrease the sensitive or the volume on the microphone. Let me know what you think on the bottom. Let me know if you like this product or you absolutely hate it the way it sounds. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.